Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your development environment is ready and you have a data source. Add a grid view control to the page and bind it to a data source object. This is the how. Configure auto-generate columns equals false to control layout, and then add bound field or template field columns so you can format values. Once done, set data key names for record ID so editing and deleting can target rows reliably. Make sure to include a basic select command or link query that returns the dataset. You now implement binding and interactivity, handle page load to bind only when, is post back, or use callbacks for partial updates. This prevents redundant queries. Add allow paging and set page size, then wire grid view. Page index changing to set the new index and rebind. This is why you keep state. For sorting, implement grid view. Sorting and apply an order by to your data source. Use template fields to render buttons and custom HTML when you need edit forms or inline formatting, and add command names for row command handling. You finish by wiring update and delete flows. On row editing, set edit index. On row updating, fetch keys, validate values, execute parameterized SQL or EF save changes, then set edit index equals 1 and rebind. Add user feedback messages and validate inputs to avoid bad updates. Once done, test edge cases, empty sets, null values, and concurrent edits. If behavior is wrong, check data key names. Ensure view state is enabled for paging/sorting, and use logging or breakpoints to inspect the bound data and event order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.